Hey there, health enthusiasts. Are you intrigued by the idea of healing not just the body, but the mind and spirit as well? If so, you're in the right place. Becoming a holistic health practitioner might just be your calling. Today, I'll walk you through 5 essential steps to embark on this fulfilling journey. So, let's dive in and explore this exciting path together. Step 1. Understand the role. Holistic health practitioners are not your average doctors. We focus on treating the entire person, body, mind, and spirit, using a variety of methods from yoga and acupuncture to nutrition and reflexology. It's about creating balance and wellness through more natural means. This holistic approach aims to address the root causes of health issues rather than just the symptoms. Step 2. Education is key. Unlike traditional medical paths, holistic health often requires a diverse education background. You'll need to study everything from anatomy to psychology and even herbology. Many practitioners also embrace certifications in specific areas like massage therapy or energy healing to enhance their practice. This broad knowledge base allows you to offer a more comprehensive approach to health and wellness. Step 3. Choose your specialty. The world of holistic health is vast. Maybe you're drawn to the ancient practices of Chinese medicine, or perhaps the therapeutic touch of massage therapy speaks to you. Each specialty offers unique methods and philosophies that can resonate with different aspects of your personality and interests. Choosing a specialty not only sets your path, but also helps you connect deeply with the treatments you provide. This connection can enhance your effectiveness and satisfaction in your practice. Step 4. Gain experience. This isn't just about reading books or passing exams. Real-world experience is crucial. Whether it's interning at a wellness center, working in a clinic, or even starting off with volunteer work, hands-on practice will build your skills and confidence. Engaging with real clients and their unique health challenges will prepare you for a successful career. Finally, step 5. Launch your practice. Many holistic health practitioners are entrepreneurs at heart. Starting your own practice allows you the freedom to craft your approach and directly impact your clients' lives. You can create a healing environment that reflects your values and vision. Whether it's through a dedicated studio, online consultations, or even workshops, what matters most is finding the right platform to share your healing gifts with the world. Your unique approach can make a significant difference in the lives of those you serve. Remember, becoming a holistic health practitioner is more than a career. It's a lifestyle. It's about promoting wellness and helping others achieve balance in all facets of their lives. So if you're ready to start this journey, embrace these steps and unlock your path to holistic health. Your dedication can lead to a rewarding and impactful career. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who might be on the same path. Here's to your health and holistic journey.